Good morning, Show Boulevard. Happy Sunday. Happy Sunday, Show Boulevard. Happy Sunday. Hello guys. Today is Mandaluyong City Day. Kaya nga tinawag guys na 9 de Pebrero. Kaya mamaya guys, may parade mamayang hapon. Yay! Oh guys, mamayang hapon ba daw yung parade sa bandang Akasya rin mamayang traffic at saka dito sa Martinez Road sa may Show Mall. Ayun na. Kaya working na yung mga guys, enforcer mamaya. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Lakad-lakad tayo guys para maka-exercise tayo, para hindi na tayo ma-obese. Kasi lagi na lang tayong minsan kain, opo, trabaho natin, wala nang lakad-lakad, driving. Yan. Kaya kailangan maglakad-lakad din guys para ma-burn yung mga fats natin. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Happy Sunday to all. Here in Mandaluyong City. Bye. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Here in Show Boulevard, Mandaluyong City. Thank you.